What if I tell you you can create a full cinematic cartoon story using AI without animation skills, without drawing, and without expensive software? Today, I'm going to show you how I created a 6-scene cinematic cartoon adventure using Nanobanana plus Grok, step by step. So, if you want Pixar-style visuals with pure AI, let's start the video. Action, fire. First, I open Nanobanana inside Google AI Studio. Then, I simply take my first scene prompt and paste it into Nanobanana. Within seconds, boom! Nanobanana generates a perfect cinematic cartoon scene. Clean lighting, depth, and pure story vibes. And yes, if you want this same story, just comment prompt below and I'll send it to you. After that, I repeat the same process. I paste the second scene prompt, generate the image, then the third, fourth, until all scenes are ready. I'm speeding this part up a little so your time doesn't get wasted, but trust me, the process is super simple. Now comes the fun part, turning images into cinematic videos. I copy my first generated image, then open Grok, paste the image there, and along with it, I paste my video motion prompt. Within seconds, Grok generates a smooth cinematic video. Camera movement, depth, motion, everything feels alive. I do the same thing for the next image. Image, paste prompt, hit generate. Again, I'm fast-forwarding this part, but now you can see all scenes are converted into videos. Next step, voiceover. For this, I use Google AI Studio's text-to-speech model. I paste my narration script here, select a character voice, and simply hit generate. And just like that, clean cinematic voiceover is ready.
In a peaceful land called Neoland, everything felt normal. But legend said this calm wouldn't last forever.
Now the final step, bringing everything together. I open CapCut, merge all video scenes, add the voiceover, background music, and do some clean cinematic cuts. And this is the final result.
In a peaceful land called Neoland, everything felt normal. But legend said this calm wouldn't last forever. The forest whispered secrets, and every step pulled him deeper into the unknown. Hidden for centuries, the spark that powered Neoland had finally awakened. Power without balance turns magic into chaos. Some heroes aren't born strong, they choose to be brave. And from one small spark, a new legend was born.
So, yeah, this is how you can create cinematic cartoon stories using AI with Nanobanana and Grok. No animation skills, no drawing, just smart prompts and AI tools. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more AI filmmaking tutorials, and comment prompt if you want this full story setup. See you in the next one. Master AI Hub out. Rocket fire.